Hello viewers, welcome to SA Software Solution. So today I'm gonna show you how to create Midi file just from single text or chord text file. Okay, I'm gonna elaborate later on, but this is my SA Software Solution page. I have bundle of software over here. So the tool I'm talking about, those are in my subscription bundle. So you have to subscribe my packages, but these are all free for 15 days. So you can use it for 15 days trial. So these bundle actually are very useful for the content creator and just regular Windows users. And those are very essentials and very innovative and very dynamic. So anyway, so today I'm gonna talk my very dynamic two tools. One is Chord Writer, another one is like Midi Creator. So let's download the Chord Writer Pro from the Google Drive. So you have to have one Google account for that one. Yes. So I'm downloading that one and it's being downloaded. It's being downloaded right now. Yes, it is downloaded. Now let me open that one and extract that one. Though I have my own file extractor, but that works for bulk extraction, bulk zip extraction. If you want to unzip for 100 files, you can unzip with that. So this is Windows 1, so I have extracted with that one. So let's run it for first time and just select run anyway, because we are running it for the first time. So this software you don't have to install anyway. You don't have to install at all. These are just download and run it. So it will go through some kind of registration process and for the first time, and subscription validation process. So you're gonna use the email address whatever you used for the subscription, for the registration. So in my software subscription software solution page, you're gonna see over here registration process. Check out these videos. You can easily register from there. So let's click on that one. Use the email address and okay. So I have multiple functions, multiple tools over here. So I'm gonna go through one by one. Let's start with one song, that is art song. Let's do it with art song, Michael Jackson's art song, the most famous and very melodious and significant song. So let's copy the lyrics from here. Very easy. Copy the lyrics from the Google. Now smart chord on lyrics. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just paste the lyrics over here, and we're gonna this is like 4x4 song. You have to select the bar and select the bars in one line. So it is 4x4 song, and we have to organize the lyrics actually first. Say which line, how many words in one bar. We have to select that way, and you have to select the scale. Actually it doesn't matter because we're gonna write the scale over here. Then click on generate bars and you're gonna see the chord bar is created based on the lines. For each line, the number of bar created, we're gonna just write the chord based on the lyrics, based on the tune. So what about sunrise? What about rain? So I might be wrong actually in the sense. The chord might be wrong, or maybe somebody might be singing it from A minor. So I'm choosing G minor, and we can switch the scale later on. That part I'll also show. So let's do it over here. G minor again same chord. So guys, sometimes we need to actually organize the chord on the lyrics for our live shows. We have to share our chords with the other musicians. So once we actually write the chord organizedly over here on the line by line on the lyrics, it will gonna actually help us a lot immensely for our like music recording or live session, and we can actually save the chord and store the chord in our file, any document file, or in our shared drive. We can share with our shared drive with the other musicians. So everybody can play same chord at the same time. So it's pretty easy to share the chord and write the chord. So the tough part of the music is just fixing the chord and writing the chord, exact the same chord on the same word. That is the toughest part, I believe, and that is the more important part. So if the chord is wrong, if the chord is not accurate, your song will be messed up. So in this video, I am writing this chord actually only for the uh, only for demo purpose. Maybe I could be wrong when I am writing this chord. You guys can check, and later on we can you can fix it. Yes. Mm. So it will be actually A sharp, I mean B flat and C. So I actually, when I was recording this one, that time I played F. I did not pay that much attention. Anyway, I'm sorry for that one, guys. Yep. See. So this chord we're gonna actually write over here. Then after that we can actually transpose the chord, switch the scale, any scale. It gonna write on the lyrics. I mean, transpose all the chord on the lyrics, whatever you write. I mean, whatever scale you can switch it. So it has multiple options. So I'm gonna show you step by step. So yep. D and D. Yes, D. So after when the writing is done, I have clicked on generate chords, and you see all the chords is created nicely, written nicely on top of the lyrics. Now it's very easy to play, and you can save the chord actually in a txt file. From there you can move it to document file or in your shared drive, whatever you want, and you can print it and share it with other musicians and save it in a txt file. Okay. After that, so it is created. Let's open the. Okay, now close it. So I have copied that one and pasted over here. So I'm just gonna switch the scale now. It was from G. Now I'm gonna play it from such say that A minor. Yep, it's being switched. Yes, scale is changed. You can switch another scale automatically. Yep. automatically. Actually, the scale is changed. Now we can select another scale. Yep, like, yep, we have selected D minor from G minor. Okay. Now over here Roman 2 chord, that is different part. So let's generalize all the chord. So whatever chord we have created, we can write in Roman number. Some musicians writes the chord in Roman number so that they don't actually make the chord static. They write the chord in more dynamic way. So they write the minor and major in a Roman way so that they can actually play from any scale. They can understand from any scale. So over here some of the noise are coming maybe. So pardon me for that. So after that we gonna put all the chord in one line to create a MIDI file. So let's put all the chords over here and select in MIDI file chord. Yes. So all the chords from the lyrics is just in one line. You see that? Okay, because now these all of the chord we're gonna make into MIDI signals. For that one we need as a chord to MIDI creator tools. This tool. Other one just other tools. The chord writer is just a tools for writing your chord and organizing your chord. That's it. But this one we're gonna create the MIDI signal. So that's why we have these two softwares. Again, I'm saying these tools are very user friendly. Just unzip it and run it. No installation process. It's not going in your Windows registry or anywhere else. These are 100% safe software. And let's again use the email address and checking the subscription validation. Yep. So whatever we have copied, let's paste it over here. Delete all these lines. Yeah, it's pasted over here. Just using the Control V. And now we're gonna change the velocity. First chord is one velocity, second one another, third one another. So the chord will gonna sound more humanly. To make the chord sounds more humanly and generate and save MIDI file. Right now I just clicked on generate and makes save MIDI files. Now whatever chord we written, everything is created as a MIDI file. Yep. So I'm using my Reason DAW. You can use any other Cubase or whatever else, Logic Pro. So just selected one instrument like Radical Piano from Reason, and I can import the MIDI file from here, or I can just drag and drop from the folder whatever I have created. I'm cancelling it and I'm just dragging and dropping that one. Yep, successfully dragged and dropped. The toughest part in a song actually finding the right chord and writing the right chord, proper chord, so that and all the instrument needs to play the same chord at the same time. So we have to have a correct MIDI file, chord file for all the instruments. So you see the MIDI signal is created. So we have created from the C3, I mean middle octave. So you see that's why these are all from the middle octave. You can change the octave from here. Like you can change the scale from here, or I'm gonna use the different octave. If it is like D4, all the chord will gonna move into different octave. Pretty easy. So no more like correcting one by one. So all the chord you can switch one in one click. Now I'm selecting one rhythm option like arpeggio or guitar rhythm, another instrument. I actually apologize you guys because of I didn't record the sound over here. So whatever the chord is playing will be playing. You cannot hear the sound. So let's add a guitar rhythm, Amber. Uh, VST, another VST. Yeah, it's created. It's VST guitar rhythm. I like this one. Yep. So over here the range is from C4, but the chord we created that is from C3. So we have to convert this one from C3 to C4. Let's copy the entire MIDI file first and paste it and drag it from there. Okay. Now select all the MIDI signals, MIDI key, and move it from D3. Just write D3 to D4. Everything is gone. Yes, you see, everything moved into D4, another octave. Now, if we play, if we play, just select the rhythm, common rhythm. Yeah, you see, they started from C4 and selecting the chord accurately, playing the chord accurately. So from piano, it's playing from C3 octave, and from rhythm, it's playing from C4 octave. You can change the octave the way I have showed. Yes, you see the chord is playing. The tricky part is like, I mean, to write the accurate chord. So you guys can write your own chord by checking again and again when you play. Then write it in a place, then convert it in my software like MIDI signal, then use it in any kind of DAW. And once the song chord is created for one instrument, you can copy and paste and use it in any other instrument as you wish. For like bass pattern, guitar rhythm, piano arpeggio, any kind of pattern and backing strings. So you can use the same chord, everything will gonna play simultaneously. Now let's check the velocity one. So I have showed you guys the velocity level. I have selected for one chord, second chord. I'm gonna show you that part also. The velocity, this part, yes. And let's open it. You see the velocity is not all are same. It's gonna sound more humanly right now. More humanly. Okay. So hopefully this video will gonna help you guys to easily use my software and easily create songs. My softwares are very important for the essentials for the bloggers and editors and the musicians. I'm a kind of musician also, that's why I like that kind of software. So thanks again for being with SS Software Solutions. Thank you.